Zdrasti, and hello! Welcome back to Gadomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of April, we're learning all about Bulgaria. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning a Bulgarian folk dance known as Bucimis. So let's watch and see how this goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So you might have noticed that there was a magic number in this dance, and that number is 7. So we're going to count 7 steps moving to the side. And this dance can be danced with a partner or even a group of 3 holding arms across the front. Or, like me, you can just put your hands on your hips to learn it. All right? So we're going to start moving to the side 4 steps. 1, 2 goes behind, 3, 4 goes behind, and then we step on count 5, we hop on that foot, 6, and then we stomp it down, 7. Whew, let's try that again. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now back the other way, we move to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hop on 6, 6, 7. Good. Should we try that slowly back and forth? Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Are you ready for the next part? All right, now we're going to add some heels. So we start the same, moving to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, we're going to take our heel out to the side, the direction that we were traveling, and then we switch our feet, 6, opposite heel, 7. Let's try that together. Ready? To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Should we try it going the other direction? Ready with that foot, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So the foot, the direction you're traveling, that's the heel that goes out first. All right, let's try that back and forth. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you think that we could start from the very top and add that on? Do you remember what that was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. And then we add our heels. Let's try it slowly from the top. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and switch. Good, let's try that one more time. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. How'd you do? Tricky, isn't it? That's okay. It's all about fun and community. So now let's try adding on the last part. Now the last little section does the same thing where it travels to one direction and then back the other way. But we combine both kind of the beginning sets. So we start with our heels and then we add our hops in. It's gonna look like this. Ready? We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is the same, but then instead of switching our feet, we're gonna take that foot over, 6, 7 to the front. So there's that little hop in between. Now we're going to switch our feet. 1, heel 2, 3, heel 4, 5, hop, 7. So that's kind of like before. Let's try all that again. Ready to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Okay, now traveling back the other way, we do the same thing, but reverse. So we travel 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and to the front. Then we switch our heels, hop, 7. Should we try it one way and then the other? Very slowly. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and front. Switch your heel, 5, hop, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and to the front. Switch your heel, 5, hop, 7. Whew, kind of a puzzle, isn't it? Should we try adding that on from the top? Do you remember what the beginning was? Let's remind ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop, 7. Then what was next? Our heels. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and switch. Good, now what about the last part? Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 to the front. Switch our heels, 5, hop, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the front. Switch your heel, hop, 7. Oh my goodness, do we think we can try it from the beginning, all the way through without stopping? Let's take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and let's give it a try, very slowly. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, how did you do? Not bad. Should we try it one more time, a little bit faster? And let's try to have some fun with it this time. All right, ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Do skoro.